Hello, my name is Jay Valentino, and the series of videos that you're going to be watching is a time lapse of the take apart on all the wiring that you see here. So I'm not going to be talking very much, and there's not going to be much of a DIY on how to do this, but I figured I'd show you guys anyways. I finally got all the clips, so here it is. A lot of these wires aren't even soldered either. Like, I'll try and show you one for instance. These are just wrapped together. I'm pretty sure those are wrapped together. Yeah, I think it's just wrapped together. A lot of these wires are just like cut and like exposed, and holy shit, like I'm surprised a fucking car fire didn't start. next is something that I had some confusion about. This is the thing when it closes the door, it turns on the lights in the back and shit. So right here is where is it? Okay, so right there is a connector. I don't know how to take that off. I kind of just took a flathead screwdriver and went through the crack and kind of just like wiggled it out. I'm gonna try and find it over here real quick. Actually, I didn't take it out on this side. Okay, so here's this side's one. Right here, if you twist it, you see how there's like a little crack right there? I took a flathead and it kind of sparked, but fuck it, you die. I'm just fucking with you. It sparked a little bit. I don't know if that was the best way to get it off, but that's how it got off for me. I wasn't too sure how to pull it off because I really don't know, but that's how I took it off. So here is all the tape with everything fucking off. Shout out to my fucking friend Matt, homie, for doing this shit. The fuck? We went on a little camping trip. The fuck? Alright, so I'm gonna bring you guys in. Alright, since there isn't a tutorial, so basically, what you gotta do is there should be some hinges. Should be some hinges on this bitch to clip in the back of here. Oh man, I'm not even too sure myself, but I know they clip. They clip. I saw it right there, and you gotta line it up, and then just pull up and out. the trunk was probably the easiest, besides the gas line and the license plate line or wire. I think the trunk was fucking the easiest. Also, almost forgot to mention, you gotta take off these. These are the back seat panels. You gotta take off these as well to get to the wires for the speakers, which are in the front. I'll show you right now. Let's see, is there anything else that I missed back here? Nope. All right, so you gotta take off. They're in the corners usually. Mine are, and then the side fucking back seat things. After that, that's basically it. That's all you have to do to take it all out. Unscrew that's what I forgot to say. Unscrew the fucking dash thing. I mentioned where the screws are for that. This was a bitch to get out. You gotta like fold it. At least mine is. Take that out to see this. That's how you get to this. So take this out first to get to the AC. Then let's see. After you get to the AC, everything should be smooth sailing. Then the dash is easy. It is done. It took me a while to fucking do it, and I had to go through a bunch of electrical tape, but it is done. This shit is finally finished. I got everything, not everything, but like 90% of it is out. The fucking car is a fucking shit show, but I did it. I had to cut some wires. I didn't know half the shit on how to take things off, but we did it. We had to take a lot. There is a lot more to rewiring a car than videos show, and it is insane. Like, I have learned a lot from doing it. No regrets, but holy shit, when I was watching like the take apart on rewiring cars and shit and how they take it all out, dude. Alright, so this is kind of an overview of everything that I've done. So I took out the AC, because as you can see, there's wires on here, and it's basically just easier to get to if you take it off. And then I took out the old fuse box in the firewall, and let's see what else I do. So that's basically everything in the engine bay that you had to do, or at least that I did. Coming around to the interior, take out the dash, take out the fuse box, you take out the glove box compartment and the lid, and then the AC lines are still in there. I don't know how to take those off. I don't want to touch them. And also, so you see this cable right here? This cable goes all around to here, to the two backlights, which is what turns on with this little push button right here, or the door sensor, I guess you could say. I took out the back seat, and you also have to take out the back seat panels right here to get to the bottom of where the wiring goes. At least for me, I did. Coming around to the trunk, take out the trunk harness, and you take out the trunk harness not by pulling it from here. You take it out through here, this corner, And then let's see what else. Took off the trunk bumper in order to get to the light, which is through this hole right here. And then let's see, the gas line, you have to cut it, license plate light, the trunk, or the back bumper, and that was about it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'm caught up on all my videos now, so now literally I'm trying to post every week, maybe even less than a week, because I'm all caught up. I try and edit as I make the videos so that I don't get behind in any way. Part 2 of the wiring video will be out very soon as I get the new crimpers in. I bought $20 crimpers and it didn't work as they should work with the crimping, and I want to make sure that everything is good, everything is solid, nothing's gonna short out, nothing's gonna happen. So I bought expensive ass crimpers so that I can get this thing done properly. But that's about it. So I appreciate you guys' support. Thank you guys for watching.